Hello food lovers, welcome back to the kitchen you bunch of donkeys. Today we're diving into a one-meal wonder, a salad that packs a punch. That's right, you heard me. We're talking about a salad so damn delicious, so bursting with flavor that you'll forget you're eating healthy. Get ready for some leafy laughs and spicy surprises. Alright, you Muppets, first things first. We need a base for this masterpiece, and no, I'm not talking about a concrete slab. We're starting with some crisp, fresh green lettuce. Don't even think about using that wilted yellow rubbish in the back of your fridge. We need vibrant, lively leaves, something that screams freshness. Get your hands dirty and give it a good wash, you hear? No one wants to bite into a salad that tastes like dirt and disappointment. Now tear those leaves into bite-sized pieces, none of that chopping nonsense. We want texture, we want life, we want a salad that fights back. Next up, we're adding some color to this culinary canvas. And no, I don't mean you should be grabbing your crayons. We're talking about red lollo rosso lettuce, the ruby red ruffles that add a pop of color and a delicate, slightly sweet flavor. Don't be shy with this one, folks. A generous handful will do the trick. Scatter it over the green lettuce like confetti after a hard-earned victory. We're celebrating flavor here. Remember, this salad is all about balance, the crispness of the green lettuce against the soft texture of the lollo rosso. It's a symphony of textures in your mouth. Now, for the love of all things holy, use ripe tomatoes. I'm talking about those plump, juicy beauties that make your mouth water just looking at them. None of those pale, tasteless excuses for tomatoes that belong in the bin. Slice them up nice and thick. We want to taste the sunshine in every bite. And don't you dare squeeze out the seeds. Those little suckers are packed with flavor. Remember, we're building layers of taste here. A flavor explosion that will blow your socks off. Listen up, you bunch of culinary cowboys. A salad without cucumber is like a day without sunshine. Utterly miserable. We need that cool, refreshing crunch to cut through the richness of the other ingredients. Grab yourself a cucumber, and for God's sake, wash the damn thing. No one wants to taste last week's dirt. Now slice it up nice and thin. We're not looking for chunky cucumber boats here. We want delicate slivers that add a whisper of freshness to every bite. Now it's time for the secret weapon, the ingredient that will have you wondering, what is that amazing flavor? Beetroot, you beautiful earthy wonder. Don't be put off by the color. This root vegetable is a flavor powerhouse. Roast it until it's tender and slightly sweet, then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Trust me, the earthy sweetness of the beetroot will add a depth of flavor that will have you licking your plate clean. Listen up, you lot. No salad is complete without a bit of onion. It adds a sharpness, a bite, a certain je ne sais quoi that elevates the whole dish. But be warned, this ingredient is not for the faint of heart. Chopping onions can be an emotional experience, but I want you to channel that emotion into your cooking. Let those tears flow, let the pungent aroma fill your kitchen, and remember, the stronger the onion, the better the flavor. Garlic, you pungent little devil, you. Don't let its size fool you. This ingredient packs a punch. We're talking flavor so big, so bold, it'll knock your socks off. Now listen carefully, you don't want to overpower the other ingredients, so use a light hand. A small clove, finely minced, is all you need to add that unmistakable garlicky goodness. Turmeric, the golden child of the spice world. Not only does it add a beautiful pop of color to our salad, but it also brings a warm, earthy flavor that's out of this world. A sprinkle is all you need, don't go overboard. Remember, we're aiming for a symphony of flavors, not a solo act. Ginger, you fiery little devil. We're adding a touch of your zesty personality to our salad to really wake up those taste buds. A small knob, finely grated, is all it takes to add a touch of heat and a whole lot of flavor. Finally, the star of the show, the protein powerhouse that will turn this salad into a proper meal. Tuna, you beautiful meaty marvel. We're using tuna flakes packed in water, no need for oily business here. Now don't just dump the whole can in. We want to respect the tuna to showcase its delicate flavor. Flake it gently with a fork and scatter it over the salad. There you have it, a salad that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Now stop staring at it and dig in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deliciously funny culinary adventures. Check out our subtitles for some extra laughs.